Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate email templates in Klaviyo using brand profiles, detailed guide step by step clearly. To start authenticating email templates in Klaviyo using brand profiles, log into your Klaviyo account. Navigate to the account section located in the lower left corner of the dashboard. Select settings from the drop-down menu. In the settings menu, click on brand profiles. Here, you can create a new brand profile or edit an existing one. To add a new brand profile, click on the Create Brand Profile button. Fill in the required fields, including your brand name and logo. You will need to provide the email address domain you want to authenticate. Under the Email Authentication section, click on Authenticate Domain. Klaviyo will guide you through the domain verification process. Follow the provided instructions to add the necessary DNS records with your domain registrar. Once you have entered the DNS records, return to your Klaviyo account. Check the status of your domain under the Email Authentication section. It may take some time for the changes to propagate, so be patient. Once verified, you can start using your brand profile in your email templates. To apply the brand profile, go to the Templates section in your Klaviyo account. Open an existing email template or create a new one. In the Template Builder, locate the Brand drop-down menu. Select the brand profile you want to use for this specific template. Customize your email template as needed, ensuring it aligns with your brand guidelines. Finally, save your changes and preview your email to ensure everything looks as expected. Your email template is now authenticated using your brand profile, ready for sending. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.